To ask if someone knows someone well, you use a form of a villu eolachir. A villu eolach Pauline. Do you know Pauline well?
Various responses are possible. In the following scene, 3 are given. Anna says, Ha me glé yolach ora. Ha me glé yolach ora. I know her very well. She carriagena hanning. We're friends.
The man says, Chanil mishe eolach ora itir. Chanil mishe eolach ora itir. I don't know her well at all. He adds, Chanil me ysmwynigig gymfachge me riavi. I don't think I ever saw her.
Vil du eolach it Pauline, Anna? Sjold, hoe het die doe je zo'n snaaf?
Ha mi glé eolach ora. She carriage in a hanning.
Chanil mishe eolach ora itir. Chanil me ysmwynigig gymfachge me riavi.
Tje met de jeensa getriana.
Sang je gos y Pauline gyma. Fy mit je snaaf kawa. Hai oafasach mai snaaf.
Sanyagosa Pauline Guma. I know Pauline well.
To say what would follow if someone went somewhere, you use nanrachig. Nanrachig shivaun, hiigshiv and tashpenig. Nanrachig shivaun, hiigshiv and tashpenig. If you went there, you'd see the exhibition.
In the following scene, listen also for Chanil me keenjoch jehashinatian of hast. I'm not sure what we're doing yet.
Wil sief zit alle stjarna wagen bliana.
Stocha, gaan je met kindjach, je has je Janef haast.
Dan rachig se waun, hier se van taspenig.
Je een tashpenig.
Ha taspenig gewiaun, je italisch gluisch.
Ha tashpenig guvi aun je irtalish Lewis. There's going to be an exhibition of the Lewis chessmen.
To say a man is full of himself, you say, Ha'il lan ye hain. Ha'il lan ye hain. He's full of himself. For a woman, you say, Ha'il lan ye hain. Ha'il lan ye hain. In the roundup, listen also for Fan savach, get away, or literally, be quiet. Fan savach can express surprise or astonishment.
De Lenny gocht ze Lenny. Ha valaf le Susie.
Sanje, ha land je heen. Ga woord kumbrin je uit.
Van savach. Zijn je ga heen, Susie. Gaan je isje met schön itjes.
Chanel, ach ha essen.
Unit 3 Unit 67. Faaltje go Unit 3 In this unit, we look at how to talk about actions that are past and completed. To give this sense of an action having been completed, the verb be is followed by and a verbal noun. Hami dúskig. Hami dúskig. I have woken.
In the first scene, listen for a veluer eri. A veluer eri. Have you got up?
A vorrochi, a veluereri.
Oh, Chanel. Ham ik giedig het doeskig.
Gian kafak, had de vrakas woord.
Jan Kafak. Hurry up. Where a noun or phrase comes between and the verbal noun is lenited where possible. A vil murchu a viag a gal. A vil murchu a viag a gal. Has Murdo had his food?
Verbal nouns beginning with a vowel don't lenite. Chanjele dat iche. Chanjele dat iche. He hasn't eaten anything.
Fel mwrwch i edd y fi ag y gael.
Gaan je laar dattietje? Gaan je laar eri haast? Ha giroch dúsgach?
Mar ych jynne caffac, bi yn tren edd falaf.
Ha mi giroch efoch riest?
Ha mi gyrach evach riest. Ha mi gyrach evach riest. I've just called him again.
To say something will have happened, be is followed by and a verbal noun as in be an tren fallaf. Be an tren fallaf. The train will be away or the train will have gone.
To say something had happened or had been done, va is followed by and a verbal noun. Va mi mo het y gael. Va mi mo het y gael. I had had my lunch.
Va mi mo coffee ein. Va mi mo coffee ein. I had got my coffee. Notice that words such as fine, which begin with F followed by a vowel, lenite, and the FH is not sounded.
En da gaan je dit Davy en sy gaffie in jou.
Gaan ich? Ach, va mi mo het y gael. Agus het mo choffie eng mas danike.
Och, nach roshin lef.
Mustanike, before he came, and nach roshin lief. Wasn't that a pity?
To say you have seen something, you say, hamir, whatever it is, echking. Hamir dresse echking. Hamir dresse echking. I've seen a dress.
To say you have bought something, you say, hamir, whatever it is, a chanach. Hami ne braken seo a chanach. Hami ne braken seo a chanach. I've bought these shoes.
Hi, Alec. How gachi tra?
Ha, hoe het me je tra en jou? Wil u heen het allemaal?
Ha mi dresse eentjen aan de muwe knok. Ga vi mi fatte ietsje. Chiari maha.
Ha je wadi. Kimmere hoe de widert. Wil u een dresse nog?
Chanel, a ga mi ne broken sjo nog. Nachelat snok,
Agus Jay. Wil u het moor aan een gask?
Chanel, a ga mi roete nein jutse.
Ah, gee, dat een route ha mi idde wie gieri. Chocolate.
A veluer more an erikage a chask. A veluer more an erikage a chask. Have you spent much money? The woman said, Ha mir rotiken ein guchtse. I've got something for you.
To ask if someone has been doing something, you use the verb be followed by vi and a verbal noun. A vilshev vi a fehev fatte. A vilshev vi a fehev fatte. Have you been waiting long?
Ashen vi a kayet chemichel na buen. Ashen vi a kayet chemichel na buen. We have been looking round the shops.
To say what might follow if you had bought something, you say, Nambiener, whatever it is, a chanach. Nam bein na ticketin chanach an J. Nam bein na ticketin chanach an J. If I had bought the tickets yesterday, bein ereget a havalach guiv. Bein ereget a havalach guiv. I'd have saved you money.
Ham I dullich. Evel se bydde vi fef fatte.
Chanel, has sin iddo fi a coed chimich on yn bwyn.
Has sin fwyd yn eich anoch, agus has sin tor ar agyd y chosg.
Nach magaf. Nam being na ticket in a chanach in J, being it edek a havele guif.
Cym ar y fych sin?
Being it the via shaw na betraie.
Hashin your root na chanach, is hashin your tor erikage a chosk. We've bought things and spent a lot of money. Nach magiv, aren't you lucky?
To say what happened after something else had taken place, you use an J, followed by a form of the verbal noun. The first statement is usually followed by a second statement telling what happened. An J ye tilig gachi. An J ye tilig gachi. After she returned home, Choniki gun ra kujikin unyak a vrishig. Choniki gun ra kujikin unyak a vrishig. She saw that someone had broken a window.
Jeva cerydd Lily.
In Jegi chile gachi, Choniki gan ra kujikin unyak a vidishig.
J hachyd.
Va kujikin is bidishig a stay gan day.
Och isht, Lily volk.
The man said, Bakuchkin brishigas day gantai. Someone had broken into the house.
To ask someone if they used to do something, you say, bavisht gut, or bavisht guiv. Bavisht gut a via fudach aun an injeruike. Bavisht gut a via fudach aun an injeruike. Did you used to live in Wick? To respond that you did, you say, bavisht. Yes, I did. To respond that you didn't, you say, cha bavisht. No, I didn't.
To say someone used to do something, you use a form of bavisht do. Bavisht ga mahar avina iaskar an sin. Bavisht ga mahar avina iaskar an sin. My father used to be a fisherman there.
Marie, nie?
She?
Ha kuinak a morst, ha me is munchig. En baveskuive vi fudach an an jineruke.
Bavisht ga mahar y fi na iasgar y sin. Och, canioch, bavisht gwt y fi gwber awn sy fanke.
Bavest an an bank in a halappe.
Bavisht gut a via gubber aun sa vanka. You used to work in the bank.
In the roundup, three friends talk about things they used to do. Listen for Bavish Gonsa Aviachianav Shin. Bavish Gonsa Aviachianav Shin. I used to do that.
Bavisht de heim is a vina helated.
Bavisht a chaedd y fi a gwbod eich chyd is on vleonlichen.
Ha e kopid an an office in a carlia.
Bavisht goes a vi a gian of shin.
An bavest?
Bavisht, ach gag me in jago an upper shell ein.